On a cool summer night when Pakistan slept, India was ready. India remembered, India avenged. Every Indian is elated what Bharat has done. The mountains stood silent, cloaked in shadows, as if they're holding their breath. The air in Pahalgam still remembers the massacre. The echoes of screams not yet faded. The Pahalgam attack had been brutal, unforgivable. Innocents slaughtered, dreams buried under rubble, and a nation's patience stretched to its breaking point. India wept and then it roared. Operation Sindoor was not just a military strike, it was a reckoning. A message etched in fire and steel across the skies of Pakistan-occupied Kashmir, where terrorists breed. As fighter jets pierced the darkened horizon, their engines thundered like gods of war awakening. Below, the valley of POK trembled. Leaders from across the political spectrum hailed Indian armed forces for their strike on 9 terror sites in Pakistan and POK targeting terrorist infrastructure there. Every Indian awaited for this moment and messages like these from our netas. The enemy had mistaken our grief for weakness, our silence for fear. But tonight, they learned the price of their actions. The strikes came 2 weeks after 22nd April's terrorist attack in South Kashmir's Pahalgam, in which 26 innocent civilians were killed. But as we Indians have always said and believe, there must be honor in animosity. Indian armed forces, mind you, only destroyed the houses of terror, not targeting any of the civilian establishments. In the skies, our special forces moved like shadows, crushing land that carries terror. Missiles fire was a tribute to the lives stolen in Pahalgam. The enemy camps, once hidden in arrogance, were reduced to ashes. The sky burned orange as if the very heaven approved. Back home, mothers clutched their children tighter, their tear not of fear but of pride. The nation watched, hearts pounded as justice was delivered. Operation Sindoor was more than revenge. It was a declaration that every drop of Indian blood spilled on our soil would be answered for, that no act of terror would go unpunished. Bharat has delivered her message. Jai Hind.